talking to you about our Quiet Storm heads. These heads are used for fans and cooling prints as they're coming out, keeping prints nice and tight, corners defined, and entire shape as is expected. So we have two basic models, an older version over here, blue and orange. This version is modular and can be bent and extended and moved to point directly where you want it. If you want to add on space, you'd simply get two pieces, push them together. Now it's another big piece. If you want to subtract any, pop them off. Then you just have this section you can take in and out. There are different heads. One is more pointed, one is flatter. The advantage of this one allows you to get very up close, personal, and be directly on the point for using a long needle like this one. You can point it right up next to it, especially when you're still using heated nozzle accessory. You're going to want to keep it as warm as possible as it's being moved to the nozzle, but once it's printed, you want it to cool down almost instantly to keep that shape. So we have it heated right here and then cooled off immediately when exiting. Big advantage. Downside for this one though is there is some air that will minimally escape throughout it, so as you make it longer and longer and longer, airflow is not quite as powerful. That's okay. We have our workhorse over here. This is the newer version of the Quiet Storm. This Quiet Storm comes with an extension package right here. It's simply a further PCL print. This is designed to reach longer nozzles or needles like I have in here. So this level is perfectly in line over here. Blast a little stronger, shorter path along, less airflow lost. This extension is not necessary. If I wasn't using this long nozzle, all I would need is this main section, and you can take it in and out. All I would need is this section, not this little extension inside. We can slide this in and out, tighten it as I want. To loosen and tighten it, you just need a hex screw, put in, twist, twist. It opens up the gap and loosens it to move in and out. Thank you for listening. Keep working with Hyrel.